Hey guys, so just a quick tech update. So after releasing the Phantom V Fold, Tecno is apparently to launch a flip smartphone in the near future, which is expected to be called the Phantom V Flip or the Phantom V Yoga. So some of the specs of this phone were also reviewed, but I cannot confirm if these specs are genuine. Make sure to take them with a grain of salt or a pinch of salt. According to the specs, I think this device, this upcoming flip from Tecno, is not going to be as expensive as the Phantom V Fold. The V Fold is a feature-packed smartphone, guys. It offers great specs, guys. It is the best Tecno device currently, but it is very expensive. I think the problem I have with Tecno phones is updates, like consistent software OTA updates, something like that. What I'm trying to say in essence is that, let's say you buy any Tecno smartphone and the device ships with the Android 13, for example. That Tecno phone will be stuck with the Android 13. And there's absolutely no way you get a software upgrade to a much more newer operating system in the future. So the Phantom V Fold is going to be stuck with the Android 13, I believe so. If I'm wrong, kindly correct me in the comment section below. And of course, according to the specs, this upcoming Phantom V Flip is also going to be running on the Android 13 with Tecno's iOS 13 user interface on top. So I think this V Flip is also going to be stuck with Android 13, which is a con in my opinion, because Android 14 is almost here. I think, I don't know, September, October, Android 14 will be out. I love to buy a smartphone that I know would receive OS upgrades and security updates in the future. So this is the Phantom V Flip. This is the front of the phone. As you can see, it has a hole punch display, and the display is expected to be very tall. At the back is a large round shaped camera module. According to the details, the device is expected to have a dual battery setup, which is typical for flip devices. The capacities of the two batteries are 1165 mAh and 2735 mAh, which results in a combined battery capacity of 3900 mAh. That's almost 4000 mAh. The device is expected to also support 45 watts fast charging, which is great. And other specs of this device includes a full HD plus resolution. The device is also expected to be powered by the Dimensity 8050 processor. It's going to utilize 8GB of RAM and may offer up to 256GB internal storage. Like I mentioned earlier, this device will be running on the Android 13 operating system with Tecno's iOS 13 user interface on top. And in the camera department, the Phantom V Flip is rumored to boast a 32MP front-facing camera, and at the rear, the device is expected to feature a dual camera setup with a 64MP primary sensor. So these are some of the rumored specs, leaked specs, and details of this upcoming device. Now, I reiterate, okay, until this device is officially announced by Tecno, make sure to take these specs that I mentioned in this video with a pinch of salt, okay? I'd like to hear your thoughts about this upcoming flip phone from Tecno, so kindly share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.